last episode of tips and cutting from the making a video board, not only you could also use tape, you could also use a supporter, so it's easier instead of using tape making a mask. You could also use this, right? You can find these at the dollar store, of those. So you may be wondering, is it just like you can put them in the wall or somewhere? No, you can always put them like over here in drawers and everywhere, like wherever you like to put it at. Or if you like to have like these supporters, so that way you won't make a mess in the end. You can just like put it somewhere over here, so you can make it like an actual stadium. Build something around like Legos or something, so you can make like a smaller stadium. Later on this episode, I could build a stadium. It'll take a while though, so that way you could actually increase the size of it. So that's how you could make your own other stadium video board. Very easy. It's also plus it's not only you could just use like, for example, what I have on my screen like Monster Jam. You could also use like football, soccer, baseball, basketball, and all those sports you love. You could put them as a video board over here, play it, or you could make your own like loop. Like you put like a 1 hour, and there you go. And you just like play around, make stop motions, or like doing events like that. It's easier to just adjust the event. But it's pretty good though, not gonna lie. So you can find these at the dollar store again. It's so simple. You can put them anywhere, right? That's just a tip number 2, right? You could just find these things. Make a or you could build a supporter if you want. But for now, I'm just gonna have a supporter built. You could also like move around this thing as well, Whoops. Increase the balance. There you go. That's how you make your own stadium board.